Hi everyone, welcome back to All Things with Tip. So today I will be doing a sew-in on my friend. I am just prepping it now and I am leaving just the top portion out. She wanted to do a middle part bob with it longer on the sides and shorter in the back. So here I'm just prepping her hair for the sew-in. You'll see me start braiding her hair down, and I did it just going straight back, and then I did sew up her ends. Normally I do her bobs like a quick weave bob, but this time she wanted to sew in, so I totally forgot that I was doing the sew in. Normally I would braid it down on the sides instead of going back, but this still worked, and I ended up using the net, so that helped out a lot. So this braid pattern still worked for the sew in. So I'll let you guys continue watching this while I prep and braid down her hair, and I'll be right back with you. Hey guys, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button. And also, if you like the video, go ahead and like. When you like and subscribe, it helps the algorithm and helps my videos to get seen more. It doesn't cost you to like or subscribe. I am using my channel to raise money to help me pay for cosmetology school, so your support is greatly appreciated, and I hope that you all enjoy the rest of this video. Okay guys, and I just wanted to add that I like to use the C-shaped needles. Those work best for me. And this is the net. So I just pretty much sew the net down on the outside in order to secure it. And then I just go in and clip off the remainder that I don't need around the hairline and the leave out. Same as if you're doing a quick weave. And then this just helps me to be able to sew where those braids are not. And this helps me to keep it a little bit tighter. So I'm just starting at the nape of the hair, and I am going across. And I believe I started out with just a single weft. Wasn't thinking. I had been working all day. So we both were tired, but so then you see me here. I knotted it on the ends, and I started out doing the double weft, and I just wanted to make sure that was tight, and so I pulled that through a few times before I actually started to attach it to those braids. And as I am sewing it, I am still knotting it, double knotting it every so many, sews that I do. I'm knotting it to hold it in place and keep it tight. And I definitely make sure I do that when I reach the edges, like on the hairline as well. And the hair that we used for her sew-in was just the 99J 12-inch Empire by Sensational Hair. I'll put the links to all of the products in the description. And right here, I am just going in and cutting it. I thinned it out a little bit first before I went in with my shears because it was pretty thick. So I wanted to thin it out, and just starting out lower in the back and then angling the sides to make that a little bit longer. This was a difficult cut for me. I don't know why it's easier for me to cut my own hair than other people's, but I'm still learning. So it's a process, and I eventually, got a hang on to it, and I did decide to go in and thin it a little bit more, and that made it a little bit easier. And in order to get the sides longer, I try to pull that back to my guide in the back to make it longer on the sides. And this razor comb is the best thing that they ever created. It makes it so much easier to get your weave looking natural. When I learned how to use this, or when I started using this, I feel like my weaves got so much better and they were so much more natural looking. I was able to put more layers in it without it looking so blunt. So I love this tool, and it allows me to be able to thin the hair out without it looking so blunt. So I really like that tool, and I just kind of use that going back and forth with the razor comb and my shears. Alright, and if you've watched my other videos, you've seen me use these products before. I use these products usually when I am doing my hair and others. They're not heavy on the hair, and so they're not heavy on the weave either. And so I like to use these products when I am styling. And then I'm just going to go through and curl her hair and just kind of lightly bump it. And I will be back with you guys. Alright, and this is the finished product. My camera went out on the end, so I didn't get to videotape the rest of me doing the leave out and all of that. But this is her hair, and she actually ended up cutting it herself after a few weeks of wearing it, and it turned out so cute. It was just a short bob. It turned out really cute on her. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you all stay blessed, and I will see you in the next video. Stay blessed. Peace.